Checklist complete, Sergeant.
Confirmed, ma'am. Convoy is ready to roll.
Maximum incline achieved. Vehicle response nominal.
Once unloaded by the heavy machinery, these thick plates are immediately moved to the inspection zones.
Hold on, zoom in on sector 4. I'm seeing an indication here.
Yeah, I see it. Let's rerun the C-scan.
Okay, increment.
Alignment looks good on this side. Clear on the guides, keep lowering.
Initialization sequence complete. The powertrain is fully operational.
We are clear for final descent, character B.
Copy that, watching the guides, looks good. Stabilization diagnostics are clear.
Okay. Confirm the input line is fully seated before we close the housing.
What's the status on the elevation sweep?
Holding steady at max extension, all green on hydraulics.
Sling tension confirmed, east side.
West side clear. We have clearance.
Confirmed. Proceed with the lift.
Easy now, keep it steady on the left. Copy that, watching the swing.
Okay, easy now.
It's locking in place.
Confirmation green. Secure the straps.
That's tight. Did you connect the J2 harness yet?
Just finished it. Testing the lights now.
System checks complete. All green on the targeting array.
Confirmed. Optics calibration is within tolerance.
Alignment is good. Torque it down.
Roger that. Securing bolts now.
Check the connection on module 3.
Secure. Running diagnostics now.
Reading strong signal. Comms are live. Check 1, 2. Comms check. Do you copy? Reading you 5x5. All green here.
The ballistics calibration is complete. We have full stabilization.
Confirmed. System optimal across all parameters.
Engaging the torque wrench now.
Wiring harness connected. Alignment confirmed.
System check initiated. Pressure holding steady.
Readings are optimal.
I'm getting 245 here.
Same on this section. Looks good.
response nominal.
Test complete.
Bore scope reading on cylinder 3 looks good.
All right, cross-reference that with the thermal data from the test run.
Looks good. The system integrity check passed all parameters.
Full clearance confirmed, engineer.
Checklist complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Final approval granted.
Certifications for the turret armor are approved.
Okay, the drive sprocket weld looks good.
Agreed. Signing off on the tracks now.
When the schematic cycles, focus on the green highlighted areas.
And this readout indicates the thermal signature, correct?
That's affirmative. Proceed to the next diagnostic.
Antenna secured, check. Covers are taut, check. Chains are tensioned, ready for final inspection.
Easy now, keep it straight. Whoa! Looking good on the left side.
All right, hold it right there. Stop.
Checklist complete, Sergeant.
Confirmed, ma'am. Convoy is ready to roll.
Watch your spacing on the right. Keep it coming slow. Okay, ease forward.
There's a slight anomaly here. Could be cosmetic, but the sensor reading is high.
I see the stress marker. I'll flag this section for closer review.
Easy now, bring it down slowly, aligning with the mounts.
Copy that. Descending. Looks secure.
Training mode activated.
See this highlighted section here.
The service interval for the transmission is cutting it close based on the field data.
We're seeing a direct correlation between the sensor array data and the subsystem optimization.
The predictive model confirms a 20% efficiency gain.
Your input response time has improved significantly on this module.
Thank you. Let's review the schematic updates now.
Engines. The shift to engines shows improved efficiency. However, the electronic supply chain still presents the highest risk factor.
Agreed.
This section here is still showing red. We need to reroute the AGVs.
If we adjust the timing here, the bottleneck clears. Look, it's green now.
The system flagged the primary joint here.
Running the laser scan now. Audit point passed.
We have confirmation across all hubs. The update was successful.
What's the current plan?
The current plan maps sustainment of years.
Air quality is well within limits.
Safety metrics are optimal across the board. Everything looks good.
The data confirms the increased density at the fusion points.
Excellent. This should significantly improve the ballistic resistance of the turret.
Torque level reached. Good.
Moving to alignment sequence Gamma.